Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can screen record your desktop using PowerPoint. So if you want to screen record small tasks, for example, you want to show something on the screen of your Windows operating system or your Mac operating system, there is an option in PowerPoint which allows you to screen record your desktop. So I will not recommend you to use this screen recorder for the gaming or other purposes, but for simple tasks it's okay. So I'm going to search for PowerPoint and then I'm going to open the PowerPoint, and now I'm going to just click on the blank presentation. Now on this window, I'm going to just click on the insert button, and the last option here is the screen recording option. So just click on this screen recording option, and then it's going to start your screen recording, and it's going to allow you to screen record your desktop. So let me just click on screen recording, which is going to minimize my PowerPoint app, and it's going to show me this kind of window with all these options. So you can choose if you want to add the audio in your screen recording. Also, you can choose if you want to add the pointer. So if you want to record the pointer, you can select this option, and if you want to record the audio also, you can select this option. Once you are ready, you can select the area which you want to record. So let's say I will just select all the screen area. So from top to the bottom, I want to record everything. And now once you do that, you can just click on this record button, or you can press Windows Shift and R key, which is going to start your recording by pressing all these key combinations. So I'm going to press Windows Shift and R key, which is going to give me this option, and now the screen recording has been started. So you can see this time of screen recording, and when you just hover over your mouse here to the other places, you can see that option from the top is gone. So now you can capture all your screen. Now if you are done, you can once again go to the top. So you can hover over at the top, and you will be able to see all these options. So in order to stop, you can just press Windows Shift and Q key. So if you don't want to just show this kind of window to the viewers, you can just simply press Windows Shift and Q key in order to stop your presentation. Now let's do something. So I'm going to start my Word app, and then I'm going to just open some kind of Word application, and now I will just close or minimize this Word application. Once I'm done with my screen recording, now I can just stop my screen recording by pressing, as I said, Windows Shift and Q key, which is going to stop my screen recording, and you can see my screen recording is now inserted into this PowerPoint app. So from here I can play my screen recording. So I'm hearing my voice also because I have selected this audio option also, right? Now once your recording is in your PowerPoint app, you can select your recording and then click on format here, and you have all these options to format your recording. So for example, I have this corrections here. I can choose any of these corrections. So you can see when I just choose the brightness plus 40%, then my video is much brighter. So here I can choose the brightness and contrast from here. Also I can choose the color. So by default the color is this one, and I can choose all these colors from these options, right? So let's say I want this color, or I will just leave everything as default, and I will choose the original color of the recordings. Also you can choose the poster of your video. So poster is like a thumbnail of your video. So you can just add an image. So I'm going to just click on image from file, and then I'm going to click on from a file, and then I can choose any image of my choice. So let me just choose this image, and this will be the poster of my video, for example. And when I play this video, then my video plays normally with the screen recording. Also, I have the option to reset all the design. So when I click on reset, it's going to reset the design. Also, I have all these video style options. So you can see when I click on this, there is the border. So let me just click on this, and you can see this fine border is added to the video. When I click on the other options, you can see small effects are added around my video. So from here you can choose the video style in which you want to present your video, and then also you have the video shape. So from here you can even choose the shape in which you want to present your video. So for example, I want to present my video in the form of let's say circle. So the video will be played inside this kind of circle, right? So you can see my video is playing inside this circle shape. So I will just leave it as default, which is the rectangle shape. And then at the last, I have the option to crop my video. So let's say I want to just show some part of my screen recording. I have the option to crop my video also. So now in order to save your video, you have two options. You can save the whole presentation. So you can just click on file, save as, and then you can save your presentation anywhere. Also, you have the option to save your video only in the form of MP4 or any other format. So let's say I just want to save my video in the MP4 format. For that, what I can do, I can just click on file here and then click on export, and then I have this option to create a video. So I will just select create a video, and from here I can choose the quality of the video. By default it's full HD. I can also select ultra HD or HD or standard. So I will leave it as full HD, which is 1080p, which is fine for me. Also, you have this option, don't use recorded timings and narrations. So you can also preview this, and if you want to do this, you have the option to do that also. Once you are happy with your choices, you can just click on create video, and then you can save your presentation at your desired location. So you can change the name of your recording. For example, I will just write hello.mp4 here. You can also choose the other format, which is Windows Media Video format, which is called .wmv format. So you have the WMV format or MP4 format. And then once you have given the name and chosen your video format, I can click on save, which is going to save my video. So you can see this progress bar here. So it's going to create this hello.mp4 when this progress bar reaches to the 100% mark. So just wait for this progress bar to reach to the 100% mark. So now my video is exported. So I'm going to minimize this window, and you can see this hello.mp4 is now fully exported, and now I can start this video. So I will just double click on it, and you can see this screen recording is now playing. So in this way you can screen record your desktop using your PowerPoint app. So as I said, for the game recording or other advanced screen recording, you can use some other screen recorder, for example OBS. I'm going to put the link of that video which I created about OBS. So if you are thinking about screen recording your gameplay or some advanced tasks, then it's better to use the other advanced applications. But for simple screen recording, you can use this PowerPoint also. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.